When you first enter the livetrack page on the tracking portal, you will either notice your vehicles on the bottom of the screen here or on the left hand side. I'll show you how to get the vehicle list on the left hand side in a moment, but first I'll explain the vehicles down at the bottom. So your first column will show the device number, the second column will show the status of the vehicle. This will either be parked, idling if the vehicle is currently taking part in a journey but has zero speed, or moving if the vehicle is on a journey and has a positive speed. The next column is the name of the device. This is the name that you have chosen yourself for the device. Then the driver, if you have RFID set up on your vehicle, or if you have manually assigned a driver to that vehicle, the current driver will be shown here. Last movement, this gives a time and date of when the last location came in from this vehicle. Location, this will either be a point of interest, which I'll explain later how to set up, or a full location provided by Google reverse geocoding. The next column is point of interest. You'll either have a tick or a cross to show whether it's currently in a point of interest or POI. Moving, again, either a tick or cross to show whether the vehicle is currently moving. And the last column, self-explanatory, is the speed that the vehicle is currently moving at. Now, before I mentioned, you could either have your vehicles on the bottom, like we've got at the moment, or if you left click on this bar here and keep your mouse held down, you can actually drag this over to the left hand side and you'll see the shadow appear here. If you drop this icon into here, everything will move over to the side. And again, you've got your list of vehicles, the name of your vehicle, the icon, and then you'll have a status bar underneath. So again, red for parked, green for moving, or orange for idling. And if you want, you can move it back down again by left clicking on this icon here and moving it down to the shadow box and release the left click, and then that will move over. If you wish to change the vehicles that you're currently looking at, so if you don't want to view all of them, you can click on the devices button here, and that's also available on the left hand menu here as well. So when you click on this, now you see this box appear quite a bit around the system. This is for selecting your current view of what you want to see. So at the moment, all these boxes are grey because we actually have them all selected on this selected column here. So we can either click them off if we don't want to see them, and then you'll see that they become available in this available box over here. If we want to get rid of them, we can just press clear here, and now you'll see that they'll all move over. If we so this will show all of the devices, and if you want to add them all back in, you've got to make sure that they're all ticked. You can press add, they'll move over to the side again. Just clear that. Or if there's just particular ones that you want to move over, say for these two vehicles, untick everything, leave the ones ticked that you want, and then press add. Also with this, you can search within your devices. So if you wanted to just bring up Nissan, you can start typing that, and you'll see Nissan available there, or BMW, or you can even search for the name of the device. So if I search for Adam, it'll just show this vehicle here. You can even do vehicle regs as well. It'll come up to select your vehicle. So once you've decided which vehicles that you actually want to see, you can tick them all, click add, and then if you hit save changes, that will just show those vehicles that you selected, and you'll see them down here on the bottom as well.